In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI Chatgpt-4 with Monday.com. We're going to focus on the easiest and most direct method, which is using Monday.com's built-in AI capabilities. This gives you ChatGPT-like functionality right inside your boards, without needing to touch any code, APIs, or complex integrations. By the end, you'll be able to summarize updates, draft messages, and extract information using AI, all from within your existing Monday.com workflows. Let's start by turning on the AI features in your account. First, look to the top or side of your Monday.com interface and click on your profile picture. This is usually a small avatar or icon representing your account. When you click it, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Administration. This will open up your admin or account settings area, where you can manage features for your workspace. Inside the administration area, look for a section called Customization. This is where Monday.com groups settings that control how your account behaves and which features are available. Click on Customization and then find and select the Features option. This page controls which advanced tools are enabled for your team. On the Features page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Enable AI Features. This is the master switch that allows Monday.com's AI, powered by OpenAI models, to work across your boards. Toggle this option to On. If you don't see it, you may need higher-level permissions, or your account type might not support AI yet, so you may want to check with your account admin or review your plan. Once AI features are enabled, you can start using them directly on your boards. Open any board you use regularly, and then click into an item to view its details. Inside the item, go to the Updates section. This is the conversation-style area where you and your team usually add comments or notes. Here, you should now see an AI assistant icon. You'll also find the same icon inside any long text column on your board. Click that AI assistant icon, and Monday.com will let you generate, rewrite, summarize, or extract content using OpenAI's models. For example, you can have it summarize a long discussion into key points, draft a clear status update from a few rough notes, or refine a message before sharing it with your team. And that's it. By simply enabling the AI features and using the assistant icon in updates or long text columns, you effectively connect ChatGPT-style intelligence to your Monday.com workspace.